I'm going to briefly introduce you the Coast Restore Action Program and tell you a little bit what's Coast Action and what's this program specifically for those that are not aware of this research program. So at first, what's COAST and what's a COAST Action? So COAST is a funding institution, European funding institution, with the objective to foster collaboration among research and innovative subjects and groups. This specific Restore Action, we are interested in restorative and regenerative design and approaches. So our idea here is to move from an approach of less bad and less impacts in the built environment and the way we build our cities to cities that have positive impacts and contributes to a planet that's a better place. So we have this main idea of positive impacts, and we need to regenerate our planet with our built space. The Coast Restore Action has several goals. So our main objective is to promote a paradigm shift from the business as usual to this restorative sustainability in the built sciences. We have an objective to create knowledge and share this knowledge, create new methodologies and new approaches to design and to understand our cities, and to create and promote collaboration between the researchers among all over Europe and also from other countries around the world. Restore was a very broad research program with broad teams. So here you can see some of the subjects that have been discussed in this program, and that's going to be explained today. So we can go from topics more open like the human relationship with nature and with place, to more specific and technological ones as net zero energy and water approaches, also equity, health, biophilic design and space, circular economics, and regenerative education. The program, the Restore Action, we had more than 4 countries represented and more than 100 organizations, so mostly from Europe, but also from other countries. And it's a very diverse and multidisciplinary research program. So you had people from engineering fields, sustainable development, urban design, architecture, biologists, anthropologists. So it's very wide, and we during all these years working with the Restore program, we have worked in several different fields. The Restore program, we had also always in our mind an objective to contribute with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. So it's always something transversal to our work and our results. Here we have an image from a workshop where this specifically topic of the Sustainable Development Goals have been worked on how to integrate them to our research. As a Coast Action during this program, we used all the several tools that the Coast promote and allow us. So we had training schools, we had a lot of conference meetings. The Coast funding also helped us to this diffusion meeting, so to share our results of this research program. The production of booklets that I'm going to tell you a little bit after, books, articles. So it was very rich, and we produced a lot of knowledge and documents that are available. The Restore Action was structured with 5 main research groups, so we call them working packages. The first one that we are all going to see the results from each one of these results today, this morning. The first one was interested in the definition and concepts around restorative sustainability. So this paradigm shift that's necessary. Second working group was interested in restorative design process. Third one in restorative building and operations. The fourth one in how to rethink technology related to our built sciences to this new restorative and regenerative paradigm. And the last one, the fifth work group, on scale jumping, so how to scale these approaches for a larger public and larger scales. Each one of these work groups produced a booklet. These booklets and all the production that was published inside the Restore program, they are available on the Restore website, so don't hesitate to take a look and to download these documents. They are very rich, so we have each one for each working group. The last one regarding the scale jumping work group is going to be published this April, and we are also having a few documents going to be released in the next month. I would make a remark specifically for the book, the Rethinking Sustainability Towards a Regenerative Economy. That's a book produced by our researchers, sharing the main results and summarizing the action and these very important questions. During these 4 years with the Restore program, we had several training schools to share our results and educate new professionals in this field with our approach, with this restorative and regenerative approach. So here we have an image from the training school in Lancaster in 2017. So regarding the first work group, so restorative sustainability. We had another one in Malaga working with the notion of regenerative design in the digital practice. So how to integrate these ideas and concepts in the digital practice of design. We had another one in Bolzano in Italy regarding regenerative construction and operation. Another one in Venice, so to the fourth working group, Rethinking Technology. And last year we successfully did one in Vienna, even with all the sanitary context regarding the scale jumping work group. During the Restore program, we also had more than 30 short-term scientific missions. These scientific missions, the idea is to help researchers fund these short missions to share knowledge and to work and collaborate with researchers from other countries. So we had a lot of exchange inside Europe, but also exchange outside the European zone. And I'd like to make an invitation and make a reminder. So the Restore is working hard to be the first carbon neutral European network. So we have all the Restore researchers have contributed to offset our emissions, all the emissions that have been done during this research program. I would like to invite you also, if you are available and then if you can, to contribute to our offset programs. Just don't hesitate to check on our website all the instructions. They are quite simple. We have some partners where you can contribute to offsetting our emissions to make the Restore the first carbon neutral European network. So this event happening today here in Paris and online, it's part of a series of events, so the Restore Red events, to share the results of the Restore programs and to discuss the local reality. So today it's the third event. We have more 4 happening in the next weeks till the end of April. So it's very interesting. Don't hesitate to check the agenda of the other events also, because we always have this afternoon discussing the local realities, and I'm sure that we're going to find very interesting programs. That was what I had to share today. Thank you very much, and please, I invite you also to follow Restore on the social networks and to take a look on the Restore website, where you can find all these resources that I have been talking a little bit, and also contribute to our carbon neutral objective. Thank you very much.